How to resize photo on Canva. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can resize photo on Canva. To get started, open any web browser and navigate to the official website of Canva, canva.com. Once on the home page, you will notice the upload button next to custom size. Click on it and then use the choose file option to select a file from your gallery or computer. After selecting the file, click on Use a New Design button. Then you will see the size of your photo. Here click on Create New Design. You will be directed to the page where you can adjust the size of your photo. You can drag the corners or sides of the photo to resize it. You can also adjust the placement of the photo on the canvas to your liking. Once you have resized the photo, you can click on the Save button to apply the changes and download the resized photo to your computer, or even share it on social media directly from the Canva platform. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.